Introduction: what are data structures?
Data structures are ways of organizing and storing data so your code can use it efficiently. Common examples include arrays, lists, stacks, queues, and trees. Choosing the right data structure helps your program run smoothly and makes your code easier to understand. Understanding these basics is essential for anyone learning coding, whether you're working on small projects or building large software systems.
The impact on performance.
Selecting the appropriate data structure is crucial for software performance. For example, searching for an item in a list versus a hash table can mean the difference between slow and fast performance. The right choice can significantly speed up tasks, reduce memory usage, and ensure your program runs efficiently, especially as it grows larger and processes more data.
Improved readability and maintainability.
A well-chosen data structure not only speeds up your code, but also enhances readability. Clear data organization helps others and your future self understand what your code is doing. This makes maintaining and updating the code much easier, reducing bugs and saving time as your project evolves over weeks, months, or even years.
Examples: choosing wisely.
Suppose you need to store items in order. An array or a list works well. If you must frequently add or remove items from both ends, a queue or dequeue could be better. When searching for quick access by a unique key, a hash table is ideal. Each structure serves a specific purpose, so matching your needs to the right one is key.
Summary: make informed choices.
Understanding and selecting the right data structure is a foundational software skill. It impacts your program's speed, memory use, and how easy it is to read and maintain. Before coding, consider your data and how you'll interact with it. The right structure makes your software faster, neater, and easier to improve in the future.